Hi! In this video we will understand how to perform binary to hexadecimal numbers using the BIN2HEX function. We have the given binary numbers we want to convert. To convert 10,101,011 to hexadecimal, we type equals BIN2HEX, brackets open, and select the cell with the binary number. Here, we put 4 in place of the number of characters to use, brackets closed, and press enter. We get the result. OOAB. If places is omitted, BIN2HEX uses the minimum number of characters needed. Similarly, for 1010, we type equals BIN2HEX brackets open and type the binary number 1010 brackets closed and press enter. The result is A. Number cannot contain more than 10 characters. For 1,111,111,111, we type equals BIN2HEX brackets open and type the binary number 1010 brackets closed and press enter. The result is FFFFFFFFF. If places is not an integer, it is truncated.